Metal forming process selection is determined based on a variety of important factors. The physical requirements and functionality of the part must be precisely met. The fit, form, and function of the part influences many of the decisions that will be incorporated into the overall manufacturing process. It must also be known if the part is a new design, a retrofit in the field, or a product enhancement. Factors such as part functionality, durability, load carrying capacity, and aesthetic requirements must also be considered. The production volume, or number of parts required, is also crucial, along with a duration of time for which the parts are required. Several prominent metal forming processes are options depending on the part material, part dimensions, and intended part usage. In many cases, when manufacturing low-volume parts, there are simpler, more cost-effective methods to produce the parts, as opposed to building and maintaining expensive tooling. A great deal of time and cost can be saved if the important factors for the metal forming process are discussed and negotiated during the design of the part.